Good morning, students of Standard 11. Today we are going to study topic Arthropoda from chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Arthropoda, the organisms in which legs are jointed at a certain axis are known as arthropoda. So students, arthropoda are the specific organisms in which the legs are jointed at a certain axis, and this forms the reason to designate it as arthropoda. Since we can understand the most important feature of arthropoda if we concentrate on this picture. So students, here in this picture you can easily notice that the insect is having jointed appendage, that means jointed legs, and even they have segmented body and external skeleton. There is presence of Malpighian tubules in arthropoda. So students, the another most important feature of arthropoda is the presence of Malpighian tubules in it. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you will be able to notice the presence of thin thread-like structures, that is thin thread-like short structures, which can be called as Malpighian tubules. So students, these are the specific organs which remains present in the mollusk for excretion, that is for the removal of waste materials from the body of arthropoda. So students, actually this is the picture of a cockroach, which is the example of arthropoda, and inside which we can easily find the Malpighian tubules. Sexes are separate in arthropoda. So students, if you concentrate, then you will be able to notice that two distinct sexes remain present in arthropoda, where one is male and the other is female. Students, you can also notice here that the female is slightly longer in comparison to the male, which is slightly smaller. So students, the female cockroach here is appearing to be more longer in comparison to the male cockroach, which also indicates that there are presence of two separate sexes in arthropoda, that is male and female. There is presence of chitinous exoskeleton in it. Students, the outermost cover of the insects of phylum Arthropoda are generally made up of chitin Students, chitin actually is a polysaccharide. So polysaccharide which remains present in the chitinous exoskeleton is the reason for the extreme toughness of the outermost cover, which remains present in the insects of Arthropoda. Students, chitinous exoskeleton also protects the organisms and insects of phyla Arthropoda from any external injury and also from its predators. There is presence of open circulatory system in it. So students, even in Arthropoda, blood does not circulate in arteries and veins. So we can say that the organisms of Arthropoda have open circulatory system. So students, open circulatory system is actually the specific system in which the blood flows inside the body of the earthworm where there is complete absence of arteries and veins. So students, arteries and veins completely remains absent in the organisms who possess open circulatory system. Students, open circulatory system is supposed to be the primitive type of circulatory system, that is the lesser advanced circulatory system which used to be present in the primitive organisms like Arthropoda. So students, we can say that Arthropoda is less developed So Arthropoda is less developed phyla because it has presence of open circulatory system. Although the number of insects which remains present in phyla Arthropoda is supposed to be the largest. So that is why we say that Arthropoda is the largest phyla. So students, Arthropoda is supposed to be the largest phyla because in Arthropoda huge number of organisms remains present. Students, now let's discuss an important question. What are various classifications of Arthropoda? The following are the classification of Arthropoda: crustaceans, Maripoda, Hexapoda, Chelis retata, and Trilobitymorpha. So students, these important classifications remains present in Arthropoda, in which crustaceans, Myriapoda, Hexapoda, Cheliceratta and Trilobitomorpha remains present. Thank you, students.